So Mom, here is the 3D printer. I'm making another copy of the whale, as you can see here on the bed. The extruder is the black part that's moving back and forth to left and right. And then the print bed is the part that's moving in and out down at the bottom. And the plastic is feeding from this roll up above. And as you can see, it's a pretty slow process. The print that's on the bed right now will take almost a whole day to finish. And it's been going on to get to that point for about 13 hours. The total print is going to take 23 hours and 32 minutes. So there you go. That's the 3D printer. And here it is. You can see it in the context of the whole enclosure. And just for a point of perspective, here's my hand. Okay, I hope that helps.